There comes a moment in everyone's life where we stand at the edge of something new, a dream, a decision, a risk, a calling. And just before we take the first step, fear whispers, "You're not ready. You don't know enough. What if you fail? What will people say?" But here is the truth most people never realize. No one in history was ever truly ready before they began. Not the greatest leaders, not the greatest creators, not the greatest entrepreneurs, not the greatest thinkers, not even the greatest versions of you that exist inside your future. Readiness is a myth. Starting is real. And that is what this entire speech is about. The power of starting before you're ready. 1. Most people wait their whole life and never start. Imagine this. A person wants to launch a business, but waits for the perfect time. A person wants to change their body, but starts next month. A person wants to follow their passion, but waits until they feel confident enough. A person wants to leave a toxic life, but stays because maybe later. And that later becomes a year, then 5 years, then a lifetime. People waste years preparing, perfecting, researching, planning, but never doing. They die with their potential still inside them. The cemetery is the richest place on earth, full of books never written, dreams never lived, ideas never shared, lives never fully stepped into. All because people were waiting to feel ready. 2. Readiness isn't something you feel, it's something you become. Think about this. Confidence doesn't come before the act. Confidence comes from the act. Courage doesn't show up before the leap. Courage is born during the leap. Strength isn't built before the struggle. Strength comes from the struggle. Readiness is not a starting point. It is a result. You become ready by stepping into the unknown, not by standing outside of it. 3. Every great person began as a beginner. Every master was once terrible at their craft. Every expert was once clueless. Every successful person was once an amateur. Do you think the first-time speaker didn't shake? Do you think the first-time business owner didn't doubt? Do you think the first-time artist didn't question themselves? Do you think the first-time creator didn't fear judgment? Of course they did. But they started anyway. That anyway is where greatness is born. 4. Action creates clarity, not thinking. You will never think your way into knowing the path. You discover the path by walking. You learn faster by doing than by planning. You figure things out in motion, not in theory. Life rewards action. Life reveals itself to the mover, not the thinker. Some of the greatest breakthroughs happen when you say, "I don't know how, but I will start. I'm afraid, but I will begin. I'm not ready, but I'm going anyway." The moment you step forward, something shifts inside you. Momentum is born. Energy wakes up. Your potential activates. Then suddenly you realize, I didn't need readiness. I needed courage. 5. Fear is not a stop sign. It's a compass. If you feel fear, that doesn't mean stop. It means something important is calling you. Fear shows you exactly where you need to go. Fear highlights the future you're meant to live. Fear is the doorway to transformation. So when fear says, "You're not ready," you respond with, "Maybe not. But I'm starting anyway." That is how you reclaim your life. That is how you rise. That is how you grow. 6. Perfection is procrastination in disguise. Many people say, "I'm waiting for the perfect idea. I'm waiting for the perfect moment. I'm waiting for the perfect plan." But perfection doesn't exist, and even if it did, it wouldn't help you, because perfection kills progress. Perfection kills creativity. Perfection kills dreams. You do not need perfect. You need started. You can fix, improve, and refine later, but only if you begin now. 7. Success loves speed, not hesitation. The universe responds to boldness. Opportunities appear only when you move. Doors open only when you knock. There is a momentum to life, and the ones who move first are the ones who win. Start before you're ready, and the world meets you halfway. Hesitate and everything slips away. 8. The most powerful version of you is on the other side of one decision. Your entire life can change with one choice. The choice to begin. To finally take that step. To finally trust yourself. To finally decide that the dream is more important than the doubt. To finally believe that your future deserves action. Today, not someday. You don't need approval. You don't need permission. You don't need certainty. You just need that one moment of bravery, because one moment of bravery changes everything after it. 9. You aren't lacking ability. You're lacking faith in yourself. Most people think they're unprepared, but what they really are is uncertain. They doubt their skills. They doubt their strength. They doubt their intelligence. They doubt their worth. But the truth is, you are capable of far more than you believe. You have enough right now to begin the journey. You don't need more talent. You don't need more knowledge. You don't need more qualifications. You need more belief. 10. You learn in motion, not in theory. The first step teaches you more than the first 100 plans. The first attempt reveals more than all the research. The first try builds more confidence than any motivation video. Progress comes from movement. You cannot steer a parked car. But the moment you start moving, even slowly, you can adjust, adapt, upgrade, and grow. Starting is the ignition of your destiny. 11. Life is short. You don't have forever. Time is not unlimited. Life is not guaranteed. Your dream has an expiration date if you keep waiting. Ask yourself, how many more years will I let fear run my life? How many dreams will I watch die because I'm waiting to feel ready? How long will I keep postponing the life I know I'm meant to live? One day you won't have the health, the energy, the opportunity, the time, or the courage. Today you have all of them. Today is the best day you will ever have to begin. 12. Greatness is built on imperfect action. Every successful journey begins badly. Every masterpiece starts as a messy sketch. Every expert starts as a rookie. Don't let the fear of being bad stop you from becoming great. Your first podcast will be awkward. Your first video will be shaky. Your first business will be uncertain. Your first speech will be uncomfortable. Your first steps will be clumsy. Good. That means you've begun. Because nobody gets to skip the early stages. You earn your greatness through your willingness to be imperfect. 13. Your future self is calling you. Picture yourself 5 years from now, stronger, wiser, more confident, living the life you wish you had the courage to start today. That future version of you is calling out, saying, "Please, start now. Don't wait for me to magically appear. I exist only if you move." Your future self depends entirely on your present courage. 14. The world needs you to begin. Every dream you have isn't random. It's assigned. It's given. It's placed inside you for a reason. The world needs your voice. The world needs your creativity. The world needs your strength. The world needs your story. The world needs your contribution. But you must begin, even if you're scared, even if you're unsure, even if you feel unqualified, because someone out there is waiting for the version of you that you will only become after you start. 15. Here is the truth you must live by. You don't start because you're ready. You become ready because you start. Read that again. You become ready because you start. The courage comes after. The confidence comes after. The skills come after. The clarity comes after. The opportunities come after. The results come after. The only thing that comes before is the decision to begin. 16. This is your moment, so let this be the moment you draw a line in the sand, the moment you stop waiting, the moment you stop overthinking, the moment you stop doubting, the moment you stop preparing your entire life, and finally begin living it. Start the channel, start the business, start the book, start the training, start the journey, start the transformation, start before you're ready. Because that is the doorway to every dream you've ever had. 17. Final message. The difference between the life you have and the life you want is one simple choice. The choice to begin. Not later, not someday, not when everything is perfect, but today, right now, with what you have, with who you are, with the courage inside you at this very moment. You don't need readiness. You need movement. You need courage. You need action. Start before you're ready, and watch your entire life shift into a level you never believed you could reach. Your journey begins now. Take the step and trust yourself.